in theory, she's the type of girl that I would go after, absolutely.
Bukang bibig ngayon sa mga kwentuhan ang pangalang Al Galang. Ang lalaking iniuugnay sa controversial celebrity doctor na si Vicky Bello. But Al Jarreau Al Galang is not just your typical guy next door. Nagtapos siya ng Political Science and Art History at the University of California, Los Angeles, o UCLA, in 2004. Noong 2007, he placed third in a prestigious bikini competition in Metro Manila. Today, the 28-year-old hunk is the owner of Sundar Bikram Yoga in Green Hills, San Juan. Mismong ang ex-boyfriend ni Vicky na si Hayden Ko Jr. ang unang nagdawit sa pangalan ni Al sa ongoing controversy.
I feel bad for him that my name's kind of been out there in the media as some sort of breakup medium. I'm sure there's many reasons for why their relationship didn't work out. That's how it usually is. It could be anything, and I doubt it's me.
But you are involved.
No, I mean, I'm involved as much as the rest of her friends are, her family is. I mean, everybody kind of gets pulled into this whirlpool of things happening, but, I'm no more involved than the rest of them.
Ayon kay Hayden, nagkaayos na raw sila ni Al matapos magkausap earlier this week. Ngunit paglilinaw ni Al, never nag-apologize sa kanya ang binata.
He didn't say he apologized to me. He said he forgave me or something like that. So, but yun na.
Is there anything to be forgiven?
No. I think it's more of the situation and just kind of accepting who's involved and who's the guilty party or not the guilty party.
Once and for all, what is your relationship with Dr. Vicky Bello?
Okay, that's an easy one.
Yes.
I'm a close family friend to Vicky and her daughter Cristal. I'm her yoga teacher. I'm her friend, good family friend, and I'm a big fan of hers. She's like one of my favorite people in the world. So, there's all that rolled into one.
Is it possible for you to fall for Dr. Bello?
That's an easy question. I mean, if you think about Vicky, she's the perfect girl. Okay, she's beautiful, she's smart, she's got a wonderful personality, and she has such a magnetism about her. So all things considered, I mean, I find her very attractive, and I mean, who would?
Was there ever a flirtation?
Vicky's a flirty person. We make jokes with each other. We make each other laugh. So I wouldn't even call it that. That's a weird label, but...
Isa sa patuloy na ibinabatong intriga kay Dr. Bello, ang age gap nila ni Hayden. Hindi kaya maging issue ang edad sakaling humantong sa seryosong relasyon ang pagkakaibigan nila ni Al?
I personally think age is one of the most superficial factors about people. It's even more superficial than looks. You can't even do anything about age. There are a lot of naysayers who concern themselves with how old she was, or how old Hayden was. But I think that's just like a color or a facet. My parents never raised me to judge them,
and that's just free. So you still won't take advantage of that opening.
Well, the word I can give you is that we'll cross that bridge when we get there. I'll just remind her to stay strong and stick to her guns right now, because she's going to fall back and forth with this whole emotional roller coaster, and hopefully she just keeps her bearings. I'm here for her. I know people like you, her family and her friends are here for her, and that's all we can do, We'll be her rocks.